Profitable niche ideas. Niche equals passion plus skills plus market demand. Are you ready to start an online business but feel overwhelmed about picking the right niche? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we'll break down how to choose the perfect niche, evaluate its potential, and ensure it aligns with your passions and skills. Let's get started. What is a niche? First things first, what is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of the market you can cater to. For example, if you're passionate about sustainable fashion, you could sell eco-friendly clothing. Or, if you're great at tech, you could create online courses for coding. By focusing on a niche, you can target a specific audience, stand out from the competition, and build a loyal customer base. Tips for choosing your niche. Here are my top tips for choosing your niche. Avoid oversaturated markets. Instead of fitness, try sub-niches like weight loss for new moms. Add value. Offer unique features, like including a free ebook with your product. Know your audience. Study their demographics and purchasing power. Ensure evergreen appeal. Focus on long-term demand, like educational tools or health supplements. Pro tip: ask friends or family for feedback on your strengths. They might notice things you don't. Examples of profitable niche ideas. Here are some profitable niche ideas to spark your creativity. Vegan fitness apparel. Personalized gifts for pet owners. Digital planners for working moms. Home organization tools for minimalists. These combine specificity with widespread appeal, which makes them great options for your online business. Using Google Keyword Planner for niche research. Let's talk about research. One of the best tools for niche validation is Google Keyword Planner. Here's how to use it. Log into Google Ads and go to the Keyword Planner section. Search for keywords related to your product idea. Look at search volume and competition levels. For example, if you're considering vegan fitness apparel, check if there's a high search volume and low competition. It's a good sign there's demand. FAQs about niche selection. Now, let's address some common questions. Should I prioritize profitability over passion? While profitability is key, passion will keep you motivated and help you build authentic connections with your audience. How do I know if a market is oversaturated? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to assess competition. High search volume with low competition is the sweet spot. Can I succeed in a competitive niche? Absolutely. Just focus on a sub-niche and offer unique value. Final thoughts and call to action. The best product to sell is one that aligns with your passions, skills, and market demand. By following these tips and using tools like Google Keyword Planner, you can confidently choose a niche that sets you up for long-term success. So, are you ready to take the first step? Start brainstorming your passions today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your niche ideas. Let's build your dream business together. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.